So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to find anything that says battle.net on it. Once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on End Task. Then once you do that, you want to head over to the Details tab and then do the same thing. Anything that says battle.net on it, you want to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. Once you're on this, you're going to click on either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, no matter which one you have, you want to double click on it and then click on Properties. And then you want to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then you want to make sure that use the following DNS server address has been ticked. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. So guys, for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then I'm going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to copy and paste these commands into CMD. So I'm going to start with the first one. Just going to paste it right here. Click on enter. Then you want to paste the next commands. These will all be down below in the description. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in temp and click on enter. Then you want to clear all of these temporary files. Click on Ctrl A and then delete. And then click on continue if you get this. So guys, for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to click on this PC, then click on your C drive. Then we're going to open up Program Files x86. Then you want to delete the battle.net folder. Delete this, click on continue. Then you just want to re-download battle.net, restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.